Alright, let's check out what's going on with OGN Origin Protocol. So I'm seeing a lot of altcoins between 100 and 200 million having massive rallies in the past few weeks, partially because, at least in the short term, Bitcoin is moving relatively healthy. So all I can really say that we can do is we can really look at what's going on in the short term, mainly because if I show you, if we come over to the daily, all of the macro fibs have been invalidated. The largest macro fib was, I think, invalidated somewhere around about this region here. I'm probably going to move back over to my Coinbase chart because there's not much point in looking at it on Binance when, you know, there's not really any fibs or anything that we can draw from the bigger time frame. So if I come back over to the Coinbase chart, you can see we've got our 200-day moving average. This would be our biggest resistance coming up at 70 cent. Now in the short term, we have had a very nice move. I wouldn't say this is a bull flag because it has, you know, fallen a little bit wonky, but we have had a very nice push up. In my opinion, we have come up very fast. So I do think we have topped out in the very, very short term. And I do think we would be coming back for a back test of the 618 here. Now, I definitely think when I say this is topped out in the short term, what I mean is I think this can probably go sideways for another few days until we back test the 618 around here at 36. And if we do, we could see a massive move up, potentially up to this 200-day moving average coming in at 70. Now, I only say that because the market cap of this is so low. If Bitcoin is able to kind of break above this 41.5, if we zoom out, you know, this would mean that we've broken out of this W and we've finally gotten out of this descending trend line. So the market structure would be very, very bullish. I imagine a lot of altcoins like this with dirt cheap market caps would start having big rallies. Now, like I said, in the very short term, I think it has come up too fast. You can see the RSI is resetting and the money flow indicator is resetting very, very nicely. So in my opinion, a pullback to this 618.36 would be very, very healthy. We could see a massive uptrend coming in if we do hold that level. Now, the next technical line from there would obviously be the 32 cent. So honestly, if we are able to hold 32 cent, then this could definitely be an extremely nice bottoming signal. I do think it'd probably be more likely to come down to the 618, mainly because the RSI is already very oversold, at least in the short term. On the daily though, it may look like we could be coming back to the 786. So really, I personally wouldn't be banking on buying right now. I would be waiting for a back test of the 618. If we have a strong push up from the 618 here at 30, or sorry, if we have a big push up from the 36 cent level, then we could be extremely bullish in the short term. But like I said, on the more macro time frame, if you were hoping for a more sustained rally, I'd say a back test of this 32 cent region could solidify this region as a bottom, and then we could see a big push up to the 70 cent region. But all in all, I think a back test of at least 36 cent would be very healthy. If we do have something like that, we could bank on a much higher move up to somewhere like here, because like I said, the market cap is extremely low for this. All in all, I'd be waiting for Bitcoin to break 41.5. If Bitcoin does break 41.5, I'd be a lot more bullish on altcoins in the short term. And I do think coins and tokens like OGN, which have been, you know, beaten down for a very, very long time now, would have a very, very nice push up. Like I said, at least to the 200-day, which is, you know, from the retest, that would basically be a 2x. 92% increase. So that is all I see for OGN. If you are holding it, best of luck. Once again, none of this is financial advice. It's just my own opinion on the market and what I personally plan on doing. And yeah, cowboy out. Peace.